I'm Shane Hudella. I'm the president and founder of United Heroes League. Today we're out at the 2023 Celebrity Camo Classic. It's an amazing day for golf, but an even better day for military kids and their families. We're super excited to have Feldmann Imports here as one of our key partners for the day. We have celebrities, our top corporate partners. We have 50 to 60 military members out role playing and creating amazing scenarios for our golfers on different holes. So it's a great day for us to raise some money that we can pass on and do some great things for military families around Minnesota. Feldmann's has been such a great partner of ours for almost a decade now. They've been with us every step of the way. We have a really cool campus in Hastings where we bring military kids and families to, and Feldmann's has been a big part of growing that campus, but growing our mission too. So far, United Heroes League has been able to impact over 100,000 military families. It's been just amazing. These are the men and women that do so much so that we can be here and enjoy our freedom today out on a beautiful golf course. It boils down to $30 million worth of giving now that we've been able to provide. So our tournament is very unique. We have active duty and former military members out here today. We have one hole where the golfers will get in a firefight. We have rockets and smoke grenades, IED simulators. We have drill sergeants yelling at you on one hole. We have very specialized military members that are in the water in the pond that jump out when you're coming up to the green. And then we have our infamous golf ball cannon where you get to shoot a Polaris M-Razor hybrid golf ball cannon on a par 5, 507 yards, and you can put your ball on the green in one. So it's a pretty unique tournament. Just super thankful to have Feldmann's out here today and to have them be a part of our event is super special.